So you can't tell me this is the most perfect it's the perfect snack. So we got some chili oil. So what we're gonna do here, take a piece of this, then put it with some rice, put some chili roll in it with the bit of chili on the chicken, popcorn chicken. Then here, what we're gonna do here is just eat it. Try it. That sounds like it's from a 10-star restaurant. So, what we're going to do here is put a bit more chili. Put it on here. Put it on rice. Again. This is going to be so good, guys. Popcorn chicken from KFC. Regular rice, white rice, aka white rice. And chili oil. Try it out. So delicious. Okay, gotta try this out. Popcorn chicken, some white rice, and chili oil. Once you try it out, it'll be very good. Trust me. Very good, actually. Alright, I'll see you.